channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you cannot tell by the title, today's video will be a dorm tour. This is my freshman year of college, and this is my dorm, so let's get right into the video. So, don't look at my number, but this is my roommate and I'm in 9th grade of high school, you know, the best of friends. And this is a little chalk thingy that we got from Hobby Lobby. And we got this, whatever it's called, from Walmart. And we just like hot glued it on or whatever. And we got some chalk markers from Hobby Lobby as well. And we made this little thingy, so yeah. We got these from when we moved in, so let's get into the room. Are y'all excited? Because I'm excited. So first, when you come in, the first thing you see is to the left a door, and this is our bathroom. So we had like matching towels, like we both would have pink and stuff, but in reality all of our towels are not pink, so these are dry off towels. So right now we have my white and gray towel and her blue towel, so we try to kind of sorry, my cameraman today is my best friend. She's goofy, we can never be serious, but yeah. So these are mixed match towels or whatever, so it's not that cute, but so this is our little section. We got this organizer with the little cubes from Walmart, I believe. And then we got these little bins to organize our different personal items and sanitary items and stuff. So this is her stuff where she keeps her things in, and I keep mine in here. And then we keep like cleaning supplies and extra stuff in there. And then that's just some cleaning supplies, you know, air freshener we have out. We keep the tissue right there. And this just like stays empty for the most part. Right here we have our shower curtain. Don't look in the shower, it's kind of junky right now. We have our shower curtain that came from, I believe she got it from Walmart. She actually purchased the shower curtain for us, but it's just a little clear glitter thing. It's really kind of cute and simple, so I kind of like it. And then we have a little floor mat. It's kind of dirty now, it needs washing, but how do you wash a floor mat? I don't really know, but it's just pink, so yeah. So that's all for the bathroom. And once you get out of the bathroom, you are here in this space. It's kind of like a little hallway thing, I guess, for a room. It's kind of big, but we have our we have our little closet thingies. And so, I mean, at a university, at college, you don't get actual doors or whatever. So we have to get these little curtains. So we got a curtain rod from Walmart, and we got curtains from Walmart as well. And these are just coral because we just like wanted our room to be, I guess, 50 shades of pink. So we have different pinks in here or whatever. So over here, we have this rug. It's like a shaggy rug, I guess that's what you call it, from Bed Bath & Beyond. It just feels so good, I'm sorry. But it's just a gray rug from Bed Bath & Beyond. We first started out under our table, which we'll get in that section in a second. But I liked it better over here. It wasn't that cute under the table, like it just didn't need a rug under there. And then over here is our sink area. We have our toothpaste, toothbrushes, mouthwash, dishwashing liquid, paper, you know, things that you can see or whatever, sink. Just our little area. Up here the little light comes on where you can see yourself, blah blah blah. And in the mirror you can stare at yourself and be late for class. You know, it happens to the best of us. Over here to the left of me, right, left, had to make sure. We have a microwave and a refrigerator, mini fridge that came with the dorm. It was here when we got here. And just a little cute little black. It didn't really match, but hey, we weren't complaining, it came with it. And the broom that, it's just a broom, you know, you sleep with it. Over here is my roommate's side of the room, J for Jasmine, and her calendar. She got this calendar from Walmart, and it has a little thing to make pins in it. And the desk came with, coming to school here, I guess that's how you say it, and the chair, and the bed, whatever. We also have these dressers and stuff that came with the room. They actually came together as like a three-piece. Like at first we didn't know we could take it apart when my parents and uncle moved me in, and grandparents or whatever. But we realized it came apart, so it was like, we're gonna save some space. We're gonna put these under the bed, and we're gonna put the desk in front. And I called Jasmine. I was like, "Are you okay with that?" And she was like, "Yeah, whatever, that's fine," you know. So we did that. Up here is her picture thing. She got that from Hobby Lobby. And this is mine over here. I have to fill my pictures up. I got mine from Hobby Lobby. Hers, as you can see, is white background with gold ribbon on it. And mine is like like a dingy white, I guess, with polka dots or whatever. But they both did come from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and to the bed, the headboards, the beautiful headboards, they both were purchased on Amazon. So I encourage Amazon, you should like sponsor this video, because like Amazon Prime is like the best 3-day shipping. You know, it's easy to set up and put on the headboard and everything. It was great. So these came from Amazon Prime or whatever. They were like under $80. And this blanket came from Burks. I have the same blanket. We both got these blankets, but mine's under my pillow because I get cold and want to use the extra pillow. They came from Burks, and then this blanket was actually a gift, but I think you can get this at Walmart. And pillows. These shaggy pink pillows came from Burks, the same place as the blankets. And this pillow, Amazon again. She ordered from Amazon. And these pillows came from ALDI. I think it's Aldi, whatever. It's like a grocery store, but they have like other stuff. So I got this pillow from there. I also got this, how do you say that, ottoman? Ottoman. I got
Ottoman.
This came from that store as well. And so the pillows and that, and it's something else. What is that? Okay, whatever. So something else we'll get later into the video came from there as well. These comforters, we have matching comforters. They came from Bed Bath & Beyond. So you can hear a lot of the same places. We shop for the most part Bed Bath & Beyond, Burks, and Amazon for most of our stuff. And Aldi, I guess. Okay, this pillow came from Walmart. It's really pretty. It's like simple, whatever. And Hobby Lobby, we love Hobby Lobby too. So over here in my desk area, it's a little chunky. But printer from Walmart. I actually got it on sale, and I think I was in South Haven for my appointment, and I went to Walmart, and I found the printer. This came from, this has nothing to do with my dorm, but it came from Einstein Bros, the best bagel place in the world. We love Einstein Bros. Isn't that right, cameraman?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Best place in the world.
This came from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's a really good desk lamp. Like, it shines like really bright. It's really good for YouTube videos. Like if you want to ring light, but you know, it's really good for that. Okay, over here, I already explained the desk things and stuff to y'all. It's my calendar. As I said before, she got hers from Walmart, and I did as well. The only difference is she has where you can pin things, and mine is just dry erase all over. And I erased my board because I didn't like the handwriting, and I was going to go through and redo it, but I haven't yet. I just made sure I knew when Thanksgiving break was because I'm looking forward to that. It's time for a break. And over here to the living section. I love this spot. I actually slept on this couch the other night. I was tired and I fell asleep, and it was so wonderful. Oh, let's run back over here really fast. I missed a couple things because I was so excited to get over there. But over here, curtains came from Bed Bath & Beyond, I believe. Curtain rod from Walmart. The letters were made by my roommate Jasmine's cousin. They're just pink with polka dots and the flower. Really cute. So thanks, Jasmine's cousin. Lamps came from Walmart. I love these lamps. I never use mine. As you can see, it actually still has... Are you looking crazy? It actually still has this on it because I haven't used it yet. Kleenex were a gift. What's the penny under here?
Cool.
Weird. And these beautiful things right here came from Five Below. And yeah, so I think that covers everything. And the rug that we got here, I really like it. Better than just having the floor in here. I think it really helps bring out our colors that we kind of incorporate in here, whatever. But it came from, she ordered off the campus website. So if you're at the University of Mississippi, check out the carpets, whatever. Back to the living space where I've been trying to get all day long. So this came from Aldi, whatever. The same place I mentioned the ottoman and the pillows came from. So this was actually there on sale. So it's a futon. They turn into beds when I can do it. But yeah, so yeah, it just goes back and you can make different moves, and it actually goes all the way out. I would show y'all, but I'm struggling. Y'all can be like, oh my god, girl, just stop trying. Pillow from Walmart, and this pillow my roommate brought in here. I really don't know where it's from, but yeah, pink crap. So boom, table. I think my roommate purchased this one. So I believe it came from Amazon Prime as well. But I love this, just the design over here and stuff. And I don't know, it's just really beautiful. It needs a little cleaning, but I actually made a video for y'all when I freshly cleaned up. But I was trying to be my own cameraman, and it just worked better, I feel, with me being in the video. So y'all could see me or whatever. But yeah, these mason jars were made by my roommate's cousin. I think the same one that made our letters, I'm assuming. And so yeah, and we just have fake flowers, so we won't have to take care of real flowers because they would probably be dead, you know, adjusting to the new school or whatever. But yeah, they're really pretty, pink and white. And oh, this picture, she sent it to me over the summer, and I believe the website was either Amazon Prime or Target. Also, her ottoman is under her desk, but it came from Amazon Prime, no, Target, and she got a cover to match my cover. She just bought it from Five Below. So if you don't want to, you know, buy a white ottoman, you can get one. Hers is actually great, and then she got the cover from Five Below, which means it was under $5 at least. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. This is actually a requested video from one of my subscribers, so I appreciate you for requesting this video. Also, someone on Snapchat was, a lot of people were like, let me see your dorm, let me see your dorm, when I first moved in, but we still like buy stuff. Like the Hobby Lobby thing on the wall was just purchased maybe a week or two ago. We're still buying things and figuring out. We're still thinking about getting some in the space. We only have a semester left, but we're still decorating. So yeah, we're still getting things together. But don't forget to keep commenting and requesting videos that you want to see. Like, I really have a passion for YouTube, but I get, you know, kind of confused on what to do and what you guys want to see. So just let me know what you want to see. Also, the camerawoman, and I have a video out called Real Advice for College Freshmen. Check that video out. It's really great. We really were just testing out. We're going to do an updated video because we just wanted to talk to y'all and let y'all get to know us or whatever before we started vlogging together. But check that out. Also, check out my senior prom vlog, junior prom vlog. Just go on my channel, look at some videos, tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. You know, I'll take some well, I wouldn't say negative feedback because it's going to help me, but some critiques, you know, just help me out, whatever. But I love you guys, and have a wonderful day, and let me know what you want to see, and see you in my next video.